Hello there, my name is April. Welcome to Itoshima, Fukuoka's summer paradise, which is just 40 minutes away west of Fukuoka City. Fukuoka has everything: mountains, beach, and city life. If you are familiar with Oahu Island in Hawaii, then Fukuoka is our Honolulu and Itoshima is our North Shore with its laid-back lifestyle, awesome scenery, and yes, even surfing. By the way, I will be your tour guide that will accompany you throughout the tour. Every summer, Itoshima becomes lively and never fails to satisfy Fukuoka City residents' thirst for summer fun. You may visit Itoshima on a day trip, but don't blame me if you decide to stay longer. I'm pretty sure you will enjoy our tour here in Futamigara, also known as Sunset Beach. This is perhaps the best of all around beach in or around Fukuoka. It has restaurants, cafes, nice sand, waves, and clean water. Since Sunset Beach is away from the city, the air is also nice and clean. Look at the beach. You can pretty much swim from June to September, give or take a few weeks here and there. The best surfing is actually in the winter, so you will have a full wetsuit to get the best of the wave action. On occasion, there are some pretty nice size waves in the summer, so keep on the lookout. The main swimming area is a little around the corner. The rocky outcrop is about halfway along and has great religious significance. Gorgeous sand ceiling over the rocks is in all the best sunsets of Japan books. Just opposite the rocks is a car park. Adjacent to the car park is a road going up the hill. It is actually going to a cemetery, so don't go there. However, just before the cemetery on the left is a small wooden viewing platform that gives a wonderful raised view of the whole area. You may see another structure temptingly farther up the hill. Don't bother with it. It is in the cemetery proper and not open for visitors. In the middle of the beach is a two stones married as customary in Shinto rites, and a torii remind you that you are still in Japan and not in Hawaii. Futamigara is famous for the Muto Iwa, the husband and wife rock shrine. It's where they actually get the name of the beach. We are now coming up the brand new Palm Beach Cafe. They aim to recreate a Hawaiian ambience, and they do so by importing all their furniture from Hawaii. Huge picture windows allow you to enjoy the view while staying indoors. During cooler days, they open these windows, creating an outdoor environment. We already reached the end of the beach towards the highway. Up and down the road near Sunset Beach, there are lots of cool and hip places to hang out and get some food and drink. You can get Japanese food, Hawaiian food, and Jamaican food, and everything in between. On the way out, there is also a souvenir shop which sells shirts, keychain, and some beautiful seashells. You may want to buy some as they are really nice. One last thing I have to mention is that the traffic in and out Futamigara Beach can be a pain in the summer. So you either have to go really early or go at about 3 p.m., which is when a good percentage of people leave. Sad to say, but that ends our tour. I hope you enjoyed exploring Futamigara Beach. I hope to see you visiting next summer. I can also accompany you exploring the other tourist attractions here in Itoshima. So, be amazed and enjoy more here in Itoshima. Thank you and goodbye. God bless.